English in a Flash. Unraveling the Mysteries of August. Hello learners. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic in our English language learning journey. We're focusing on the section, Names of the Months, particularly on the month of August. Why is it called that way, and how can you use it in sentences? Let's find out. August got its name from a very famous person in ancient history. It was named after Augustus Caesar, the first emperor of Rome. Augustus made significant contributions to the Roman Empire, so the Romans decided to honor him by naming a month after him. This is a great example of how history can influence language, even today. Now, let's talk about how to use August in sentences. 1. When stating the month, August is the 8th month of the year. 2. For dates, her birthday is on the 15th of August. 3. To describe the weather or season, in the Northern Hemisphere, the weather in August is usually very warm because it's the summer season. Remember, when written within a sentence, August should always be capitalized as it's a proper noun. English has various phrases and idioms that include month names, and August is no exception. Here are a couple. 1. The August moon. This phrase is often used in literature and refers to the full moon that occurs in August. 2. An August presence. This isn't about the month, but about the adjective August, not capitalized, which means respected and impressive. It's another example of how English can be versatile. And there you have it. You now know more about the month of August, its origins, and how to use it in sentences and idioms. Always remember, learning English, or any language, is a journey. So don't rush yourself. Every bit of information is a step forward. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next English learning video. Happy learning!